Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum here to unbox the Pixel Watch. So let's take a look at this. This is something I have been super excited for since the original Android Wear devices way back when. So I gotta admit, Fitbit doesn't exactly excite me. It's not exactly the thing I've been looking for in a watch, but whatever. Let's see what this does. Okay, so first up, not a bad presentation, nothing fancy, but definitely not out of the realm of cool. Okay, so let's undo this. Should I just slide it off? There we go, I'll just slide it off. All right, so there's the watch. We're gonna get into that in a bit. What else is in the box? Manual, you're okay there, okay. Good. So in here, though, looks like there is a bit of accessories. Oh, I don't want to rip that. I wonder if that's the only way. Okay. So it looks like there's an extra watch strap in there. So if we want to swap that out for that guy, maybe if you're lefty righty, maybe. Okay, and then the charging is just this guy here. Now I wonder if I just put it on the charging mat. Let's see, how do we get this guy off? Okay, it's one of those. Slide it out over that thingy. That's an interesting little nub. And if I put it on QI charging, oh, it's not QI. I assumed this would be QI. Interesting. I was really hoping there'd be QI and not some other type of situation. But it is what it is. So this guy would need to have it for sure. So there's a little charging base on there. But speaking of charging, I also got an extra magnetic charging cable. So I guess it's just an extra one of those that is already in the box. We'll see. Yeah, pretty much. USB-C to, and then it is just a wireless charging. I wonder that this isn't, yeah, it isn't QI. Or maybe I'm missing something. Anyways, that's going to be interesting to play with. I am looking excited to try this out. Maybe I won't turn it on yet. I'll wait till I get the 7 set up and I compare it to that specifically. All right, I'll have a review up shortly. If you have any questions, let me know.